Face ID is now a standard security feature in the Chase mobile app for iOS users. Setting it up requires a few simple steps to enable facial recognition for login and payment authorization. First, ensure you have the proper requirements. You need an iPhone 10 or newer with Face ID capability, iOS 12.0 or later, and the latest version of the Chase app installed. Start by opening the Chase app and logging in with your traditional username and password credentials. This initial login is required before you can enable Face ID authentication. Once logged in, navigate to the app settings. Look for Settings, then Security, and finally the Face ID option. This is where you'll enable biometric authentication for your account. In the Chase app settings, you'll see the Face ID option under Sign In Preferences. This is where you can enable biometric authentication for both login and payment authorization. After enabling Face ID, you'll need to complete an identity verification process. Once setup is complete, test the Face ID login and payment authorization to ensure everything works correctly. Face ID setup in the Chase app is now complete. You can now use facial recognition for secure, convenient access to your banking account and payment authorizations. Face ID in the Chase app delivers significant benefits for both security and user experience. Current statistics show impressive adoption and effectiveness rates. As of 2025, 78% of eligible Chase customers actively use Face ID authentication. This widespread adoption has resulted in a 45% decrease in fraudulent login attempts and 60% faster login times compared to traditional password methods. The security behind Face ID relies on advanced biometric technology and secure data storage methods that make it significantly more secure than traditional authentication. Face ID uses three-dimensional facial mapping technology. Infrared cameras and dot projectors create a detailed map of your face, making it extremely difficult to spoof with photos or videos. Your biometric data is protected by secure enclave storage, meaning your facial recognition data never leaves your device and cannot be accessed by Chase or any external parties. The system includes liveness detection to prevent spoofing attempts, and adaptive learning that improves recognition accuracy over time while maintaining the highest security standards. For enhanced security, Chase requires Face ID authentication for high-value transactions, including wire transfers over $5,000, ensuring your most important financial activities are protected.